Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Have you seen in our cutting plants so many beautiful hibiscus flowers have grown? This chadni plant is also grown from our cuttings. Chadni plant, also known as many names like Tagar flower, creep jasmine, East India rose bay, etc. etc. Look at this small plant made of cutting. We have planted this plant this year only. This attractive plant got its name chadni, also known as moonlight, because it blooms under the moonlight. Any nature lover will love to have this beautiful 365-day flowering plant in their home, even if it's in pot, even if it's in soil. For proper chutney plant care, you will have to provide it with good amount of sunlight, watering, right potting soil, etc. So if you are looking for all of that, this whole video is for you only. So let's start this video. Your chutney plant is struggling to grow? The reason can be the pH level of the soil. Chutney plant likes slightly acidic soil. So how do we make our soil acidic? So I will tell you one out of loads of methods on how you make your soil acidic. So keep on watching the video and you will know it. Right now, let me tell you about the sunlight. Sunlight is the most important chutney plant care tip. Never keep your chutney flower under shade, as this plant will suffer to grow in such condition. This plant needs minimum of 4 hours of direct sunlight every day. Next tip is to water your chutney plant in the right way. Although your chutney plants like to be flooded with water, but it cannot handle overwatering. So first, before watering it, make sure to check if the soil has got dry or not. If it feels moist and sticky, do not water it. Otherwise, the leaves will start to turn yellowish in color and ultimately develop root rot. Now, it's a part that you all might be waiting for: fertilizing. The chutney plant is a heavy feeder and requires a good amount of fertilizer from time to time. So provide it with a good amount of food during its active growing seasons of spring and summer season. But one thing, never fertilize your plant during the winter season, as it goes dormant and will not be able to make it. Here my mom is giving kitchen waste compost, banana peel fertilizer, eggshell and some citrus peel fertilizer. You might be wondering, what is citrus peel fertilizer? I know you must have eaten sweet lemon or oranges. So instead of throwing its peel, you can dry its peel and grind it. That will turn it into citrus peel fertilizer. Now back to the question. What makes your soil acidic? Yes, this citrus peel fertilizer makes your soil acidic. Now I will tell you about the pest control. Chutney plants don't get attacked by pests very often. For this, you can dilute neem oil with water and spray it to your plants, or dilute Bioenzyme with water and spray it to your plant. Bioenzyme not only acts as a pest controller but is also a very good plant booster and a fertilizer. I hope you enjoyed this video today. The next video will be about taking care about tulsi plant and how to make your tulsi plant bushy. So make sure to watch that video. Bye bye.